The mission of Caremount is to provide comprehensive care for the patients that live in our community in a high quality and value-based setting.
Caremount 24/7 is an initiative that we pulled together at Caremount specifically to improve efficiencies for our patients. We wanted to improve our patient experience, and we're doing that in 4 different ways.
Caremount 24/7 has 4 components to it. It has a pre-check-in component where patients can register for their visits and provide some information. It has online scheduling so they can book appointments easily through our website as opposed to going through the telephone. It has electronic communication with the patients where they can send secure messages to their providers. And it has a telehealth component where 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, they can get an immediate visit with a physician to answer their acute problem. The pre-check-in feature is through a company called Freesia. What this allows us to do is it allows us to collect some of the demographic information on the patient prior to their arrival in the office.
Prior to Freesia, we found that sometimes the employees felt rushed to check the patient in, and we found that we weren't able to capture as complete records as we do now. Through pre-visit, they're able to put all of the information, do updates, check the information that's on file currently with Caremount, and then when they get to the office, they save a great deal of time. And even if they don't check in ahead of time, they have the ability to use the easy Freesia pads, and it gives them a comfortable way to sit quietly and privately to enter the information.
Caremount 24/7 is one of the greatest things that Caremount has done because it really gives patients a variety of different platforms. The physician-patient-provider relationship is the foundation of our experience. So having a good relationship with your provider throughout your lifespan is essential to providing good care. Some of the things that make this relationship so important is communication and having an ability to exchange information on a regular basis easily and have readily accessible information.
Caremount 24/7 has made a difference for our patients in improving accessibility, making access to their doctors, to our offices, much easier.
When you do book online and you fill in all of the pre-visit information, your check-in process is almost instantaneous. So I can arrive at my appointment and be seen pretty much immediately, which is a big change from the old way of doing medicine and makes my experience as a patient much better.
I think if patients are more engaged in their care, they feel more in control of it.
Why it's important for a medical organization to keep exploring innovation and keep moving forward with technology is largely because it's an expectation of patients.
A healthier patient is a patient who has shared as much health information with their provider as possible. That information about health history is so important to the provider. I don't want you to spend time filling out forms or going through checklists while you're in the exam room with me. I want to talk to you. And so if I have that information accessible before the visit, I can come into the visit and focus on the patient in front of me.